Hello from Hotel Cosmos here at Futuroscope in France, and we have been gifted this stay here at the Station Cosmos, which is absolutely incredibly themed hotel, and it's absolutely amazing. I mean, just looking around here, you can see it. Look at it. It looks like it's an outpost on a Martian planet. I mean, just look at this outside here. There's all sorts of moon buggies and all sorts of stuff. It's absolutely amazing. So what I'll do is I'll flip the camera around and we'll show you around the hotel. So you can see there's like little moon buggies here. It looks like you're on a complete Martian land. I do believe it's planet Kepler 44b, I think it is, that you're being transported to on this mission, staying here. And there's a little stop and go pedal there. Oh, Eden's just arrived as well. So yeah, I mean, look at this hotel. Look how amazing it actually looks from the outside. It is so cool. It looks so different from anything that you'll have ever seen before. And that is the main entrance there. There's all sorts of little photo opportunities with little kind of equipment to sit on as if you're doing an exploration around space. There's a huge like Mars rover there, what says Icarus mission on there, which is really cool for photo opportunities. There's Aquascope, which is over there. And okay, so let's go inside Station Cosmos and
let's go check it out.
Let's go check it out. So you can see as soon as you come in, the doors will open and we'll have a look in here. It's an absolutely amazing lobby here. There's all sorts of like Martian rocks which are here. Really cool bits of theming. Spacesuit there from an astronaut on a mission. That's really cool, isn't it? Wow. It is really cool, isn't it? Wow. And it's, I just want to say that it absolutely smells amazing in here as well. Really good. And I really like how it's got the, looks like they've got little like gates, airlock gates which here, which let you in, which is really cool. There's all sorts, there's a astronaut helmet which is here, which we might be wearing on our mission up, and there's a bit of Martian rock which is here. Also interesting, there's loads of things to be able to charge your phone up, which is just there as well, which is really cool. And there's another astronaut suit over here. The theming is absolutely amazing, it really is. Really love this theming. So cool. So yeah, let's have a wander down here. I'll show you what else there is. There's all sorts of strange chemicals which are here. Looks like an egg. Some kind of egg there. You can see behind the reception desk there's all sorts of plants and all sorts of stuff, which is really incredible. There's more chemicals up there for doing your tests. So let's go and have a look upstairs to our room. So we're going into the lift here. So where we're staying is actually on the 4th floor. So
penthouse.
These guys have just pressed that. This is the penthouse, it's not the penthouse. But we are on the 4th floor though. And I do like that they have little screens here advertising the park. The things that you can do whilst here. Objective Mars there, which is a fantastic ride. So it's going up to level 4 now, which is us. So as the doors open, it really does feel like you're an alien or something like that. Proper science fiction movie. Looks really cool, doesn't it? Look how amazing this corridor is. I don't think I've ever been in such an immersive hotel before. It's absolutely incredible. And as we come up to the room, you can scan it there, Casper. Just give it a scan. Here is our amazing room that we have been given. Wow, this is absolutely incredible. So as soon as you come in, you can see it's so big and so spacious. You can see that we've already got a number of doors and all that sort of stuff. A little bit of storage area here too. I've not even had a look what's in that, whether that's... There's a little cupboard, yeah, more storage in there. It's absolutely amazing, really. Lots and lots of storage. There's extra pillows there. We've got a fridge here. No, it's just we've got a safe. Wow. This place is incredible, it really is. And you can see a little corridor down there. We'll get to there in a minute. We'll show you all the... It does look a little dark in here, doesn't it? It's all themed like to space, so it's like you're... in the darks of space. It's all really another spare pillows, lots of storage there, hangers if you need them. I'll leave the bathroom for a second. Casper's, we've got a full length mirror here, which is always really handy. She's just there. And then we're heading down this way. We've got the children's room. So Casper's modelling the bed here. So yeah, as you can see, he looks really comfy here. We've had a full day in Futuroscope today, and they're ready for bed. And look at that, they've got their own little mood light in there. As you can see, he's flicking it on and off, which is really cool. They've also got a little bed light, which is there, and it's a bunk bed, so there's another bed up at the top. So the kids have got loads of place to keep themselves company in here, and a little ladder at the side. And does it say? It doesn't say any minimum. Oh, minimum age of 6 to go on the top deck. It says there. So they've got their own. They've got charging sockets there. It's got some USBs, and they've got their own little table down there as well. So you can see just look how spacious it is. Nice long corridor down there as well. So we'll get to our room shortly. So here is the bathroom. So as you can see, there's a nice sink here, all white. It looks really clean, really nice, really well presented. And I love these tiles, are really futuristic looking, and it's just perfect, really fits the vibe so much. Got the Station Cosmos soap, which is in there, a couple of charging points, some tissues, a couple of glasses there, loads of towels down underneath and spare toilet rolls. And in here is the shower. So there's multiple showers. There's actually, go up here, so there's the rain shower up at the top, plus more shampoo there, and there's also this separate hand shower here for washing hair or whatever you need. But it's very spacious, as you can see, and it's all there for you to use, and it looks really nice. So making the most of that. And what I do like is this bit of themed shower glass which is here, because that looks really cool, doesn't it? Just fits the build perfectly. So as we head out here, I like the star carpet as well. That's really a nice touch here, because we are in space, and we've been sent on a special mission, as they said, as we were being checked in. Now down here is another room. I'm not sure what's in here.
It's just a toilet.
Oh, so here, this is the toilet, which is in here. As you can see, it looks very angular, very square, very much like you're stuck in space here. It is so cool. I really like it. I like it's a separate room from the shower as well, so when you're getting ready, and it's really spacious. It's really big, isn't it, Casper? Loads of room in here. Wow, this is absolutely incredible. And then this is the master room. So this is where me and Robin are going to be sleeping. So you can see it's a nice big bed. I'm not going to sit on here. I don't know how comfy it is, but it feels really comfy. All right, so they found the cookies. So I just want to say a massive thank you to Station Cosmos and Futuroscope for providing us with this day. It really means a lot to us, and they've also given us some nice cookies as well. That is really nice of them, and it's absolutely incredible, isn't it? And there's also a little personal note to us. It looks, it's even got our surname on there, and it's a little personalised story about our mission from Commander Stark there, which is really cool. And they've also given us a nice little letter as well, which is absolutely amazing. Really appreciate this. It really is nice touch. It is so amazing. And look at this hotel. This room is absolutely incredible. The theming is absolutely off the charts. It's fantastic. And then as we come over here, Casper is desperate to tell you something. Oh, right, yes, over here. So you can see that the television's all in set. It's a big television, that, as well. And it's all set into the wall, and it just fits the theming perfectly. And Casper's also demonstrating the little, I suppose it's a chaise longue type thing that's there. Looks, is it comfy, that, Casper? Amazing. So yeah, they've also given us, so we had a little pack that was given to us here, and it's got all sorts of bits and pieces in it, and there's a little logbook which tells us all about planet Kepler 442b, which is a planet that we've been sent to on this mission, which is where this is based. There's also a few little sweeties there which they've put in, and some Evian water as well, which is really nice. And there's some details about the menu and the room service which is available. So it's got all bits and pieces that are in there. Feel free to freeze the screen if you want to see yourself. But yeah, that's absolutely amazing. In terms of charging points, there's absolutely loads and loads of... so there's a couple on here as well. So there's 2 USBs and a normal plug. And either side of the bed, there's a normal plug as well. Plus light switches for both of us. So you can see just over that side is the other plug. Yes, we're going to head outside now because we've got a balcony. And the balcony looks incredible. So over here, Robin's just modelling the balcony over here. So you can see we've got a nice little seating area here, which is absolutely gorgeous. It really, really is. It's absolutely stunning.
There's the log flume.
So you can see our view gives us a perfect view right over at Mission Bermudas, which is the brand new ride that we absolutely loved and was our favourite ride here today. And it's absolutely incredible. And what a view this is. It's absolutely amazing. Wow. And over here is the main entrance to Futuroscope, which is just down here, which is where we went in today. And just looking over the other side, you'd be able to get a little bit of a glimpse of Aquascope as well, which is just over here. You can see the top of the other buildings with the red lights, which looks really cool. But the red lights that are above it in the distance, that is Aquascope over there. And you can just see some of the spinning lights, which is the slides. Wow, what an amazing place this is. This is absolutely fantastic. And I'm absolutely blown away with it. What an incredible hotel room. Just thought I'd give a little film of our balcony out here. Now it's morning in the daylight. These guys are having a nice chill out on the little chairs there, rocking backward and forward. Is it good fun, that, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, so in terms of the views that we actually have, we're right on the entrance plaza here for Futuroscope. I don't think there's any others that actually have a balcony, actually. Looking out, I can't see many others anyway, down there. You can see we are on Kepler 44b, I think it is the planet that we're on. That's why the land all looks like that. It's an amazing theme. It's really, really immersive, this hotel. You can see just down there, they're playing some music, just waiting for the park to open up now. Lots of people.
There's 3 yellow people down there.
Zoom in a little bit more. There we go. They're playing some music. There's a rabbit that's down there as well. You can make out that as well. But yeah, this is fantastic up here. They got a nice little round of applause there. Those people playing the music. Yeah, it's absolutely amazing up here though. So you can see the slides there. That is Aquascope. That's where we're going today. Feels a little bit chillier than it did yesterday. It was about 30 degrees yesterday, and it's got a cold wind today. But yeah, that's where we're going to be going. So we're going to be checking it out shortly. We're going to have breakfast, which is just down here. That building just in here, that is Food Loop, which is, for those people in England, like rollercoaster restaurant. That's where breakfast is served here from this hotel. So looking forward to checking that out, which is included as part of our stay. I really do. Look at all these incredible buildings that are around though. So you've got the flight. Oh, you can see the garage for the service area for Mission Bermudas, which is just down there. You can see the crazy building for the Flying Theatre, which is just there.
Observation tower.
Yeah, observation tower. That's right, isn't it?
Oh yeah, you can see.
And oh, hang on, what else have we got here?
Arthur.
We've got Arthur. Yeah, that's right.
We got the science lab.
There's the science lab, which is the crazy building, which I'll just try and zoom in. Oh, it's not going over there. There's the observation tower. There's the science lab, which is there. That's Arthur, which is the big square building. There's the aero bar, which goes up and down there. There's a science lab building there. And there's just loads. And the roller coaster log flume, which is Ian's just pointed out, which is just there, Mission Bermudas, which is the absolutely awesome ride that it absolutely is. There are some people walking around in the park. I'm guessing they must be staff, because the park hasn't actually opened yet to the public. As you can see, they're still playing their music down there,
You can also
to guide
see
them in.
hydrodynamo there.
Oh yeah, hydrodynamo, which is the wild swing, which is kind of in that area there. It's a hell of a ride, really. It's quite intense for kids. It's a fantastic ride, and Paultons will do well to have one of those when it opens. Yeah, I just wanted to show you that, because I think it's a great view from this balcony up here. There's also a zero gravity experience, which is there, so you can do indoor skydiving. I like these covered paths that they've got here. They're really cool. They look really, really nice, don't they? And then there is actually a 24-hour peaks of vending machine, which is there. I do kind of want to try them, because all the places we've been around the world, we've never actually had one. And it's one of those experiences I just want to check out. But yeah, this is fantastic from up here. What a fantastic hotel it is. So we're heading through for our breakfast now. Look, that's the laboratory area. How amazing is this? So we're going through to food lump. Look at all this. It really does feel like you're on a space station. It's absolutely crazy. Look out there. It just looks so Martian. It's amazing. coming through in here now. Robbie's leading the way to Food Loop. Right. So we're in Space Loop. We're going to start ordering our breakfast in here now. You see there's all sorts of things that are included here. So you got some cheese, you can have some sausage and beans, ham and cheese, there's eggs, there's a large sausage. Just looking around the Space Loop restaurant here. So there is a centre table here which has got all juices, breads, croissants, all that sort of stuff on there. There's a toaster over the far side there. A couple of coffee machines which are all Nespresso machines, so you can pick your pod and put it in. There's some other juice machines, you can get apple and orange over there, and cranberry is in the middle. I've got myself some cranberry, it's really, really nice. There's all cereals and all sorts of stuff to help yourself too. And you've got some raisins.
And toast on here.
Oh, and some bread as well. So we're just waiting for our food to come, aren't we? So hopefully it'll be coming down these chutes pretty soon, but they had to make some more because they didn't have enough, because they are about to finish for breakfast this morning. But yeah, it's nice and relaxing here. Here it comes, the food is coming. Hey! There we go. And there's some more coming here. Here it comes, slowly makes its way around. Here it is. It's coming, don't get stuck. Oh, go on, you can do it. Hey! Yeah! I think that's all the meals. All the food's arrived now. You see Casper's got some ham and cheese there. Got some beans and sausage. We've got some beans and sausage as well, and some scrambled egg with mushrooms and bacon in it. And you've got some beans and sausage, haven't you, Eden? Yeah? And you've got some egg, bacon and mushrooms. Is it nice? Yeah. Nice little breakfast, really. So, yeah. And I took into this and hopefully still feel a little hot. That is the end of our hotel tour here at Hotel Cosmos. It's absolutely amazing. It's so well themed. It's just brilliant from start to finish. It's a whole experience, really. When you look at all the walls, the carpet, everything just looks amazing. I mean, even just behind me here, you can just see that there. That's just a blank wall, but they've even themed all these bits, and it's all, that's not just wallpaper, that's actual, it's as if you're in a spaceship. And when they were going to sleep, it was like they're going into hypersleep, the little cabins that they're in. It was absolutely amazing. And everything, it's just the balcony, the views, it was absolutely awesome. So, guys, did you have a really comfy sleep, Eden?
I can't remember.
You can't remember if you had a good sleep. Do you remember if you had a good sleep, Casper?
It was really comfy.
Oh, nice comfy beds. They were comfy beds, yeah.
I woke up at 10 to 8 as well, so
wow.
it was really comfy.
So for him, that's a massive lie-in, because Casper's normally up at like 6 o'clock all the time. Oh, I just want to say a massive thank you to Hotel Cosmos Futuroscope for providing us with this stay, because it really, really means a lot to us, and it is an absolutely incredible hotel. That's not just us saying this, it genuinely is a fantastic experience, and the views are absolutely incredible. So again, I just want to say thank you very much for that. And if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. We really do appreciate that. So until next time, let the positivity in and
write it out.
bye guys!